Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria and today I wanted to share a little tip with you on how to move SolidWorks files without getting an error message every time you're trying to open your assembly. So this is my simple assembly and let's take a look. What if I need to move some of these parts or I need to change their location? What if I want to share it with different assemblies? Or I want to standardize them into a separate folder. So let's go ahead and close this for a moment. I will go back to the original folder and this is my assembly. Let's try and move one of the parts. I will just choose any of this. I will cut it out and I will go to a different folder, paste it there, return back to my original folder, and I will try and open my assembly, and it was going to come up with an error that it cannot locate the part, which is this. So, and we will have to go ahead, unsuppress it, and browse for that file. So I'm not going to do this now. I will come out of this assembly. I'm not going to save anything. And I will return the part I've moved just now. I will take it back to its original folder. And the proper way of doing this is I will go right click on the part and go to the bottom of the list, show more options, SolidWorks, and it will give you option to move the part. And now SolidWorks will ask you to find the folder where you want to move that part, and I'll select from the list, click OK, and that part will be saved in the new location. So the difference between the first and the second method is that now when I'll go back into the original assembly, it will not come up with the error. So SolidWorks will know where that file is located. Yes, there we have it. All parts are here. Thank you for watching, and if you do enjoy my tutorials, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks and see you in the next videos.